Oh, this is my dog who is lamening. Somebody's hit the stone on his leg. I don't know who is this man. He's definitely from in our village. You know, this kind of people are very cruel, and that black dog is not mine, and these two dogs are mine. They are just playing with that black dog. Akulu. But that black dog is scared. Akulu. Why people do these things, you know? My dog is not walking properly. He can't run fastly now. The bloody people who and where from this black dog? Yeah, I don't think so. He's from our village. He's definitely outsider. I think he lives in anybody's farm. And this is my bitch, my doggy. This black dog. My dog don't do anything, just barking. Oh my god, they're attacking on him now. Dangerous. Now black dog is running. He's going back there. Come on, doggy. Come here. Look. This is my beach, and I don't know if I come to the home. With my bull cart. Oh, don't fight, dog. Oh, stop it. Oh, again they're fighting. Oh no, they are going there. That black dog. Boo. Boo. Dangerous. Oh, attack. Oh my god, it's fighting. My dogs are very brave. They don't scare from any other dogs. Oh, now black dog is running. Now they are fighting. It's going there now. This black dog, I think he lives in this farm. That's why he's going there. Come on, dog. And the biggest thing that I don't know what's American people, how they talk and how they speak. I love to speak in American language. The American language is very important to speak now because I opened my new channel. You if you want to subscribe, so please check out Indian Life Blogger. In my blogs I will show my Indian village cultures, how Indians live, how Indian people do their works in farms and cities and cultures and our temples. And in India you will see the many different type of podcast. There are religions actually in Hindu, Buddha, and Muslims, Christians. Everybody lives here in India. I love to speak in American language, but it's difficult. But it's enjoying. It's not easy task to do. But I'm just trying to do that, and I'm just trying to speak back. Thank you.